That's Regen, a small town in Germany situated deep within the Bavarian forest. The visitors of the musicians' meeting Drumherum are taking a stroll in the spa gardens of this charming Bavarian town. It's a family celebration, a cheerful one. What only a few know, 75 years ago, at the end of the Second World War, the city faces one of the bitterest moments in its history. According to the orders of the High Command of the German Army, the advance of the approaching American troops is to be brought to a standstill here at all costs. In the early morning hours of April 24, 1945, German troops occupy improvised positions in the city. Around noon, the spearhead of the 11th Armored Division, belonging to Patton's Third Army, approach and a battle breaks out. After several hours of fighting, more than 50 people are dead and parts of the city are heavily devastated. The attempt at maintaining a retreat route open for the German units flooding back from the Danube region is failing. A cameraman from the U.S. Signal Corps takes these pictures the next day from his position above these buildings, which used to be situated on the outskirts of Regen. On one of the town's side streets, he filmed a group of children and youths under guard in dark uniform coats. Who these boys are and where they come from is not immediately recognizable. However, a clue can be found in the American National Archives in Washington. There is not only this film, but also the corresponding list with all settings accessible online. According to this, Hungarian boys between the ages of 6 and 15 can be seen in the film. Further research reveals that they are all students at a military secondary school in Kőszeg, Hungary, on the border with Austria.